आसनास ऑन स्टमक, पेट के ऊपर करने वाले आसन। लाई डाउन ऑन योर स्टमक with head resting one side and breathe 4 to 5 times. Then turn your head and again breathe 4 to 5 times. It calms your body down and make you ready for asanas on stomach. Makarasana, crocodile pose. Lie down on your stomach and put your left hand on your right shoulder and your right hand on your left shoulder and rest your head on your wrist. It offers deep relaxation for your shoulder and spine. It helps in calming your mind and helps in treating hypertension. Ardha Salabhasana, half locust pose. Lie flat on the stomach, keeping your hands and legs straight. Breathe in and lift your right leg and left hand up as much as possible while keeping the other leg and hand down on the floor. Now repeat this with another side. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds or as long as you feel comfortable. It helps in strengthening the lower back, massages the pelvic organs, releases tension in the pelvic area, and tones the buttocks. Repeat this asana for 2 to 3 times. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Lie down on your stomach with legs straight, hands to the side of your chest. Lift yourself up gently and see towards the rooftop. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds or as long as possible. Then exhale and come down gently. Repeat this asana for 2 to 3 times. This asana strengthens the spine, stretches chest, lungs, shoulders and abdominal, tones buttocks, opens heart and lungs, and helps in relieving lower back pain. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Lie down on your stomach and hold both of your legs with your hands. Breathe in strongly and lift your chest and your knees up while your full body is balancing on your abdominal. Hold this posture for 10 to 12 seconds, then breathe out and release gently. This is one of the most powerful yoga poses. It stretches the entire body, that is arms, shoulders, chest, abdominal, legs, thighs, groin, ankles. It also helps in regulating menstrual cycle. Marjaryasana, cat pose. Sit in a tabletop position with your knees directly under your hips and your wrist under your shoulders. Now inhale and put your midsection down and neck up. While exhaling, keep your neck down and midsection up. Repeat this movement for 10 to 12 times gently. This asana is beneficial for improving your overall posture and balance, strengthens and stretches the spine and neck, stretches hip, abdominal, back. It massages and stimulates abdominal organ, and it provides immense flexibility to your spinal cord. This asana is also known as cat-cow pose. Vyagrasana, tiger pose. Sit in tabletop pose with your knees under your hips and your wrist under your shoulders. Now breathe in and bring your right leg and left hand up. Hold this posture for 10 to 15 seconds. Then exhale and come down to neutral position. Now do this with another side. Repeat this asana for 2 to 3 times. This asana helps in removing the pain of sciatica. It helps to strengthen lower back, shoulder muscles, arms, legs, knees. It also helps to burn the fats around hips and thighs and tones down the leg muscle. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and do share the video.